Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to play two-player co-op games on Nintendo Switch. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2 and you're wondering how do you actually go ahead and play two-player co-op games. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that let's actually go ahead and move our kickstand up, and we're going to turn on our Nintendo Switch 2. So right now it's powering up. Now once it's actually loaded up, we're going to go ahead and click onto it. Now the way this works is that the game that you're playing actually has to be two players. So this won't work for a one-player game or solo games. But what I normally do is I click on the controller option and then I click on change grip/order. So it's actually detach our Joy-Con 2 controllers. And so what I'll do is I'll actually go ahead and press this dot and I'll put this controller into pairing mode. And then I'll go ahead and click on the left and right button to indicate that I want to use it in this format, which is one controller. And then let's put the other controller into pairing mode by clicking on this dot. And same thing, because we want it formatted this way, we're just going to click on the left and right. And now we've connected both our Nintendo 2 Switch Joy-Cons to our Switch. So what we'll do now is that we're actually going to go ahead and click on this button here to indicate that we're ready. And then let's go back and let's play Mario Kart World two-player co-op. So if we hop onto a game that allows two-player co-op, let's enter the game. And then now that the game is loaded, let's actually go ahead and set up a multiplayer co-op setting. So press L and R to start. And again, this very depends on game by game, but here we have a multiplayer two-player. We're going to click on that. And same exact thing, we're now going to go ahead and click on the ready button, which is the right button here, just because we've already pre-connected it. So now we're going to do a Grand Prix. And as you can see, this controls player 1. So I can select the character from player 1. And then this control is player 2. So I can select the controller for player 2. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and play two-player co-op games on the Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.